Welcome to Explain Cat. Today we will know about detail view in 2D drawing in SolidWorks. I create a part, this part. Now I select file, select make drawing from part. Now select sheet format. I select A3 ISO. OK. Now I select top view, right side view, bottom view. OK. Now again select view, select isometric view. OK. Now these views are very small. Select this view by clicking here and select scale. Select use custom scale. I select 2:1. 2:1 is very large. Now we will select user defined. Here we enter some value. I select 1.2:1. Now this is the perfect size for this sheet. Now we will arrange it. Just drag the views. We will keep isometric view small. OK. Go to annotation, smart dimension. Now select its length. From here to here, it's 215. From here to here, this is 10 mm. This circle 20 diameter. This is 15 radius arc. This is 15 mm. OK. Now if we give dimension at this area, then here confusion will create. Now we will give dimension this part in detail. Select view layout, select detail view, and select this area. And drag it downward. OK. Now select annotation, smart dimension. From here to here, this is 15 mm. This is 5 mm. Again, this is 7 mm, 10 mm, 3 mm. This one is also 3 mm, 3 mm, 6 mm. Right click, select option. Just change the directions of arrow. OK. Now arrange the dimensions. Click select option. This is the detail view in 2D drawings in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.